Hey everyone, it's Will Moss with HBCUconnect.com, back with another great opportunity for those of you that are in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. We are actually going to be hosting an event with Intel on April 24th of 2018, which is a Tuesday. That's right, the end of this month. So if you're in the area and you have a background in engineering, or computer science, software development, hardware development, firmware engineering. Let me actually give you the exact list. So Intel is actually going to be looking to hire members from HBCUconnect.com. So if you're not a member, make sure to sign up. And if you're interested and in the area, make sure you register to join us at the event. The registration link is www.hbcuconnect.com/Intel. So if you're wondering what types of people is Intel looking to hire, I'll just run down the list for you. Folks that have a background in software development, computer hardware development, if you got a background in artificial intelligence, circuit design, electrical engineering, working in a data center or cloud environment, FPGA background, graphics and imaging, the Internet of Things, memory and storage, with computer devices, modem technology, verification and validation engineers. So if you're in testing, and specifically testing of software or hardware, for computers, definitely you should join us and make sure to register. Security and cryptology. So I know in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, many of you guys have a background in security and cryptology. So you should definitely join us and see what Intel has to offer. But of course, software developers, software engineers, hardware engineers, firmware engineers, folks that are in technology and manufacturing. As you might guess, Intel is a chip maker, amongst other things. And if you have a background in manufacturing and technology, that's what they do as well, because they're creating all of this great technology and manufacturing it and delivering it for their customers. So if you have a background in one of those things, or if you're not sure, you have an engineering background, computer science background, just register for the event and we will work to get you on the guest list. Now let me tell you a little bit about the event. So HBCU Connect does events all over the country. We've done at least 25 events for different companies of different sizes, such as Microsoft. We're doing this event for Intel. We've done events for Brown and Foreman, Jack Daniels. We've done events for Amazon. We're actually working with Amazon on 3 different events currently. We're working on an event for Deloitte. So you name it, we've worked with a lot of different companies. If we haven't done events for them, and you're looking for career opportunities, you can always go to the website at hbcuconnect.com/jobs. But let me tell you about these events. So, and for a little bit of background information, my name is Will Moss. I am the founder and CEO of hbcuconnect.com. So how do these events go, and what's going to happen on the night of April 24th? So the event will start at 5:30. So we try to give people a little bit of time coming from work in the surrounding areas to get to the venue. And the venue is in Alexandria, Virginia. We've already secured the venue, but we won't actually release the name of the venue unless you're actually on the guest list, because we don't want to get an overflow of people, because at the event, they're VIP events. So we actually roll out the red carpet with, free food for attendees, an open bar, free drinks for the attendees. We register everyone, and then our goal is to have a resume on file before the event of every candidate in attendance, so that we can share your resumes with Intel before the event. And then at the event, you'll get to meet the Intel team, see what their responsibilities are, and then talk to those people where you have an interest. So for example, if someone is working in security and cryptology, after the introductions, you'll be able to actually have a conversation with them about your experience, and then see where that leads, because they actually are looking to hire hundreds of engineers, and specifically coming to HBCU Connect, looking for diverse candidates as well. So that's very important to Intel, so kudos to them. So what else will happen at the event? So at 5:30, people will arrive, get situated. They can have something to eat, they can have something to drink, and then around 6 p.m. or shortly after 6 p.m., once people kind of get settled, and we've got a good crowd of folks in attendance, we will actually start with the presentations from Intel. So the Intel team will actually present, talk to you a little bit about Intel, what it's like to work there, what are some of the responsibilities of the team members that will be at the event, and basically get folks excited about opportunities at Intel, and make sure you understand what those opportunities are, and then also that you understand who's in attendance so you know who to talk to. So after those presentations, which are typically pretty brief, because some people will be sitting and some people will be standing, because it's sort of like a cocktail reception or professional networking reception. So the presentations are pretty brief. After the presentations, you'll have the opportunity to network with the Intel folks, and also network with your peers that will be in attendance. And most of the folks in attendance will actually be HBCU graduates, but we welcome everyone to actually apply to attend the event. But yeah, so we're actually looking to have a great event. The event will last until 8:30 that evening, and then we'll ask everyone to have a good night, and then close up shop. And then Intel, I'm sure, will have everyone's resume on file if you're on the guest list, and then they will follow up with folks in attendance for opportunities. So definitely want to see you there if you have a background in these technology fields, and we're looking forward to seeing you, and we hope you enjoy this event, because we will continue to do events like this, not only with companies like Intel, but other companies all over the United States. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for considering attending our event, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at wrmoss@hbcuconnect.com. Get connected. Take care.